The Legend of Nyi Roro Kidul. Per Purportedly, Nyi Roro Kidul is a beautiful queen like nymphs. Her beauty never faded in all days. At the base south of the sea, the ocean which first killed the Indian Ocean, south of Java Island, she governed a royal delicate creature kingdom that is very large and beautiful. According to the story, long time ago there is a beautiful woman named Kadita. For her beautiful she was often called Dewi Sringgi, which means the fiery sun. Kadita is a daughter of King Munding Wangi. Although Kadita has very beautiful face, the king was still upset because he did not have a son who can be prepared for being the next king. After the king got married with Dewi Mutiara, there was born a baby boy. However, after getting much attention, Dewi Mutiara started asking many demands, such as making sure their children will be the man who will replace the king, and the Dewi Kadita must be expelled from the palace. The first request was fulfilled, but the king was not willing to expel Dewi Kadita. I can accept it, Dewi Mutiara said. I can fulfill your evil request, the king said. Knowing the answer of King, Dewi Mutiara smiled sweetly, so that the king's anger is slowly dissipated. But she had a raving in her heart. The next morning, Dewi Mutiara asked her baby sister to call a witch. His name was Jahil. She commanded him to send witchcraft to Dewi Kadita. Jahil accepted. He commanded when Dewi Kadita was sleeping sickly. Wind entered her room. The wine smelled bad, like carcass. When Kadit woke up, she was so good that her body was full of scab and it smelled bad. The king Munding Wangi heard the news. He was really sad. He knew that what Kadita suffered was not a common disease, but that was witchcraft. He assumed that Dewi Mutiara would planned it. However, it was difficult to prove. He had to decide in dizzy condition. He was confused what to do with Kadita. Due to the incident of his advisor, her doctor had to be banished in order not to be a disgrace. Then Kadita went alone like a beggar who was sought from rich people's house. Her heart was broken. She cried, but she still believed that God would not let her be abused by the elders. God's help would come soon, and she was not allowed to hate and have revenge in her heart as her grandmother ever told her. Night and day she walked, and it was already the seventh night that she went through until she arrived at South Sea Beach. She stood up and saw the breadth of the sea, and she was like hearing a voice who asked her to go into the sea. When she followed that voice and her body touched the water, her body was recovered, she became a beautiful woman like before. Not only that, she would govern the sea and establish a great and beautiful kingdom. Now, she is called as Ratu Laut Selatan, Queen of South Sea. Allegedly, Nyi Roro Kidul is a troll who had great power until now. There are still people who want to be rich by a shortcut. That is doing worship to Nyi Roro Kidul. They got a lot of money, but they had to sacrifice their family to be a slave in South Sea Kingdom. Sekian dari saya tentang Nyi Roro Kidul. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.